This custom-built home offers incredible views of the valley and coast range. It's situated in a highly sought-after area near wineries, shopping, and schools, yet it feels wonderfully private on 20 acres. Beautifully designed, this home of nearly 4,200 square feet provides the best in indoor and outdoor living. From the charming covered front porch, head inside. Discover soaring ceilings and oak hardwood floors, a warm, inviting interior that blends formal and casual living, perfect for entertaining large groups or small family get-togethers. Take in gorgeous views from the expansive deck, an ideal setting for relaxing and watching beautiful sunsets. The spacious kitchen is a cook's dream with hardwood floors, ample countertop space, and fantastic storage. You'll find additional storage in the large utility room. The kitchen opens to the family room, offering space for everyone. The private home office or second primary suite features built-ins, a separate entrance, a cozy wood stove, plus a full bathroom. You'll find a nearly new electric stair lift to the second level. Here, the oversized primary suite features high ceilings, captivating views, abundant natural light, and a spacious primary bathroom with dual sinks, a jacuzzi tub, step-in shower, and a walk-in closet. This second floor offers 3 additional large bedrooms with walk-in closets, including one with a private deck. This thoughtfully designed home includes 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. Enjoy your morning coffee on the expansive deck. Other features include hardy plank siding, leaf guard gutters, a central vacuum system, and vinyl windows. The outdoor space has been cleared and is ready for you to bring your imagination. An exceptional opportunity for a custom home with valley views on 20 acres. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Pam Irish with Premier Property Group at 503-537-7221.